Yo, what's good everybody? It's me, Connor, back here with another video. And in today's video, the big package finally came. Let's get this bad boy open. This way, since this is the way my address is. Which you guys are not gonna see. Let's pop this side up. Let's pop this side up. Pop these out the side. Oh, here it is. Here's the alternator. As you can see, it's pretty beefy. Spins nicely. Now we just gotta install it. God damn, this thing is heavy. This is it, right here. 350 amp, made in the USA. This alternator is 350 amp output, high output, so hopefully this thing should push a lot of power. I hope this label's not lying. I hope I didn't get scammed, but we'll see. So the first step is coming underneath here with a 1/2 inch and loosening the belt right here, which I might need to get a breaker bar. I'm not sure. I'm gonna try with this, and if I can't, I'll go get a breaker bar. So our next step is we're going to disconnect with a 13 millimeter. Take all these out of my pocket so I can see which ones I need. This one feels like a 13. $13mm socket. I'm gonna there we go. $10mm out of there. $10mm off of there. Down below. Now this one should just slide right out. This is the old one. And this is the new one. That one looks so much better than that one. This one just feels, this one's kind of like, I don't know. This one just looks so much better than that one. But now all I gotta do is take this bolt off of here, that bolt off of there, and then switch them. Now, I'll pop this one off. They use this bolt for no fucking reason. Then I come over here, right? This is the same way. Put this right here, even though I really should clean it off.
Me neither. I didn't realize how easy it was to take out an alternator. It's like 4 fucking bolts.
Yeah. Put the new one on right here, just like so. Now, should be able to just take this one, drop it right back in to the same place. This one just came out. This should better fit. Right there. Now we gotta take these bolts. Now we gotta go back down to the bottom. That's all perfectly good. Back on. That one's seated properly. I'll be tightening these. Plug that back in so you guys can see that. Take this. Don't drop it like that. That is the old alternator down there. I'm gonna keep it just in case I want to run dual alternator setups. But this is the new one. Everything is mounted in place. It's not going anywhere. The belt is back on. All the power is hooked up. Now I just gotta connect the battery back. And everything's back connected. Now I just gotta screw back on this bolt and we should be good to start the truck. Moment of truth. Volts at idle, which is very good. I used to run 14.2, but 14.5, I don't know why you guys can't see this. 14.5 is very, very good. Now I gotta play some music. So I'm gonna have to mute the next audio because of copyright, but just watch the numbers. So the bass is gonna be fully on. We're gonna turn everything on right now. Then we're gonna play some music. You're gonna have to watch this because I'm gonna have to mute the audio because of copyright.
alternator is spinning amazingly. As you saw in the video, we didn't even go under 13.5 volts at idle, with everything at max volume, max bass, max everything. So that means now I can add more and more speakers if I wanted to, and extra batteries, because now I'm able to push with this 350 high output alternator. And then eventually I'm gonna put that one in as well, so I have, give or take, 500 output alternator together combined. And for those of you who don't know, some alternators put out a lot at idle, others don't. You got to get to certain RPMs. So this isn't even the full potential of this alternator, because this one, I'm not sure which one this is, but I believe it's not the high output one at idle. But the fact that it's maintaining 13.5 volts to 14.6 at idle is amazing, and I'm so happy I installed this, because now I can revamp my system and make it 10 times louder. So I want to thank everyone for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below, hit that post notifications button. Tell me what I should do next to the truck.